Good morning, everyone. Good morning, or wherever you are at whatever time of the day it is. Greetings. I had some technical difficulties this morning, so it took a little while for me to get going live. So, good thing that this is a meditation because I was already in a space of allowing and a space of just like being easy with whatever is. Today is a morning/mourning grieving meditation for happiness, gratitude, letting go. It's been quite a week for me. Right now it is October 15th, 2020. Today's a big day. All of my Wheat Penny Press, my indie publishing house books are being delivered to my studio, which is very exciting. So your books are going to start going out, and there's information on that in the video description if you're watching in replay, or my BEXLIFE link tree here on Instagram. Good morning, everyone. Hello, Michael. Hello, Tiara. It's so good to see everybody up and smiling and leaving little happy faces. Hello, Kendra. How are you? So, yeah, like I said, this is going to be a guided meditation, a guided visualization meditation. So I'm going to be leading you through imagining different things that are happening, different scenes, different processes in your body. Hopefully it feels good and it allows you to release whatever tension you're feeling in the moment and move on with your day or your evening, again, wherever you are, and feel at peace. At peace. I just woke up, so I'm in my ugly Kurt Cobain sweater. I call this my Kurt Cobain sweater. It's like the blue one that he used to wear all the time. Woke up, threw some chapstick on, so that I could be presentable for my people. I didn't introduce myself, but I'm Rebekah. I'm a meditation guide. I'm a mother of 5. I write books. I write self-help books. I write books for little people, for children. I say big and little readers because I think that's really cute. I'm settling myself into my meditation space. I do that just by connecting with my breath and closing my eyes. If I am having kind of like a hybrid meditation / prayer practice, or if I'm in that practice, I bow my head just a little bit in reverence, in humility. But I invite you to get into whatever position works for you. If it's uncomfortable for you to close your eyes, you may absolutely leave them open. Just focus them on an object, a spot on the floor, a place across the room. Something that you can look at, place your gaze upon, and then pull back to soften your gaze. You can be sitting up tall and straight, forming a straight line from the crown of your head down to your seat. You can be reclined. You can be in a chair. I want you to be comfortable because we're going to be working on giving ourselves grace, allowing things to move through our bodies. So there's no need to be stiff and rigid or sitting up straight and tall. Just allow yourself to be in this moment. Focus on those words. Just be in this moment. Connect with your breath. And what I mean by that is just pay attention to your breath right now. Just take a look at it. what it's doing. Your natural, easy, and effortless inhales and exhales as they are. You don't need to breathe deeply or force anything. Just allow yourself to breathe and observe how your breath, your life force is moving through your body. You may be entering in through your nose or your mouth. Observe as it travels down the back of your throat, as it fills your chest, as it travels into your belly. Allow your belly to be soft. I just released there. I noticed I was holding in my belly. Just allow your belly to be soft with each inhale and exhale. Observe any tension you might be holding in your body. Tension in your face, your shoulders, your arms, your chest, your abdomen, your bottom, your legs. Release everything from the tippy top of your head all the way down to your toes. Inhale with me. Release. One more time with intention, but not forcefulness. Inhale. Release. Stillness is relative. There's a stillness that you can control. Sit down, close your eyes, quiet your breath. But even in that moment, your blood is coursing through your veins. Your lungs are expanding and contracting. Tiny little electrical pulses are traveling through your body, through your brain. There is movement even in stillness. There is change even in stillness. And when we make ourselves still and focus on our breath and our thoughts and the sensations that we're feeling physically in our bodies, we are making change. We are allowing for process. So whatever you're working on right now, whatever you're moving through, whatever you're struggling to release or to overcome, know that stillness will help you get there too. Quiet is relative. There is a quiet that we can control. I can shut my door and my window, turn off the TV, put down my phone. But still, the world is moving around me. If I listen intently, I can hear cars and birds and the rustle of leaves. So quiet is relative. Even your body is making sound. Your heart is beating. The thump, 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 thump of your heartbeat is always present, reminding you that you are alive and that even in quiet, even in silence, things are happening. So allow that to be a message that getting quiet also facilitates change. I call this a mourning, a grieving meditation, because even in grief, even in letting go, you can find joy, because there is opportunity for new things, opportunity for new relationships, new perspectives. The relationships that I formed with my parents who have been gone or have passed from this plane several years ago, for several years now, the relationships are still growing. So even in grief, even in mourning, there is opportunity for newness, for space, for insight, for perspective, for joy. So I imagine in this moment with my breath, the inhale acts as kind of a soap for the energy, a sudsy soap for the energy. So I lather my energy up with the inhale. Exhale is water washing it away. Making space, revealing a fresh, new, bright, squeaky clean energy. New for the day, new for this moment, new for the future. Lather it up with soap in an inhale. Exhale, rinse. If you're super into visualization like me, you can really feel it happening. That soapy inhale just gets it all ready. Scrub away those doubts, those worries, those old tensions, those old fears. Exhale, rinse. I imagine my energy right now glowing from my heart space, brighter, shinier, reaching outward. The light is surrounding me. It is noticeable. I'm glowing, and other glowing beings are noticing and being drawn, attracted to me. And I take another soapy inhale for good measure. Exhale, water. I see my energy, my life force glowing even more brightly from my heart space, beaming from every pore. My cheekbones are lit up like orbs. As I extend my fingers outward, I open my hands, I raise my palms upward, and it's like light is beaming from my fingertips. All that I wanted to release has moved through me and out. That clear space, that space of peace and calm that I have created, that you have created, is now welcoming in new vibes, new energy, new ideas, new opportunities. And if that's too busy, just enjoy the space. It's inviting in rest, spaciousness, grace. Enjoy this silence with me for just a moment, or for as long as you'd like. If it feels good to you, place your hands one over the other, over your heart center. Maybe the hand that you write with goes underneath. Your dominant hand is connecting to your heart space. Connect with your heartbeat, the expansion and contraction of your lungs. Feel your chest rise and fall under your hands. Feel your skin, the temperature, the coolness, the warmth. Just notice what is. Notice that you are alive. Notice that you are here in this moment. Notice the ground underneath you. Notice your body waking up, returning to the outside world. You're wiggling your fingers maybe, your toes maybe, swaying back and forth, side to side, elongating your spine. And then slowly, with your next breath, bow your head, sharpen your focus, or open your eyes, and return to the space. Welcome back. Thank you for meditating with me. I'll remind you that I am Rebekah. I am a mom, I'm an author, I'm a publisher, I'm a woman, I am a biracial Black woman, I am an advocate, I love you, and I'm so grateful for you showing up in this space with me. It inspires and compels me to show up for you. I say 3 times to affirm my love for you. I love you, I love you, I love you. 3 times to affirm my gratitude. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I usually go live on Mondays at 11:11 a.m. Eastern, and that's where you can reliably find me. Otherwise, just say hello wherever you are, on whatever platform you might be watching this. I'll see you. Oh, and take a couple moments to just be before you go and deal with other people. I have all my kids downstairs, and 4 of them downstairs. So I'm gonna take a couple moments before I go say hi, just to reintegrate.